Okay, so here is my well-loved lawnmower, and I'm having problems. It's not turning on. So it turns out that I pull this lever and it doesn't turn on. You know, it still seems to move up and down, but it doesn't turn on. So how do we fix this? Well, I'm gonna show you right now. All right, let's get into this puppy. If you come to this conclusion that in here, this guy's the problem, well, this is how we're gonna fix it. First things first, we have to open this guy up. So let's go ahead and flip this thing upside down so we can get to it. So you're gonna have a few screws to loosen up. There's one here, let's see, there you go. One here, 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 and here. So loosen all those and open this puppy up. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen that up and open it up, and just get yourself a regular Phillips head screwdriver. A little lizard. Oh, look at that, he's doing push-ups. Oh, you wanna compete, huh? You wanna see how many push-ups I can do, buddy? Oh, that's a challenge. Okay, anyhow. So I've gone ahead and loosened this thing up. Oops, need to loosen it a little bit more. You have to, well, there you go. Completely opened it up. There it is. So my problem is actually this switch right here. There's a little tab. It's hard to see. There's a tab right there, and that tab is broken off. It's totally gone. So, I mean, that was an easy find. Found the problem real easy. Now you just need to get this switch. So before you take those off, I would recommend take a picture so you know where they go. I mean, it's not too difficult, but nevertheless, it's always a good idea. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I already purchased a replacement part. This is it's from, what's this thing called? An Indac, whatever. That's the company, and that's the serial number on there. So you can just order this up. I did. Got it off of Amazon for $21. You can get it from a few other places a little bit less. But, yep. Alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and take off these connectors, put them on here, slide it back in, and turn this puppy back on. I'm going to do this one-handed. It's kind of tough. This is the old one. I already took it off. All you have to do is just grab these by right here or right there and just jostle or wiggle them off a little bit, and it's no problem. It's, I think, pretty easy. See if I can do this part with just one hand. And, you know, just align it up, slide it back down. Like that. And, oh, come on, oops. Might need my other hand for this. Just kind of, come on. Okay. Now you can see they're all on there. You have the black, the red, the white over here, and this black. So let's just go ahead and put this back on. I'm gonna need my other hand to slide it in there, but yeah, one sec. Okay, so at this point I put it back on there. All you have to do is just tighten it and just make sure you align it so everything aligns up properly with the seams, otherwise you're gonna have a tough time. But I need my other hand to hold this so I can tighten it, so one sec. Okay, so here we go. I've got that all buttoned back up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing right side up before I turn it on. But here's the lever. See, feels pretty tight. It's good. All right, let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in and give it a try. I'm gonna raise this up high as it goes. All right. The moment of truth has arrived. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this puppy in. There you go. Okay, there we go. Plugged in. Now let's see if it's gonna work. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. We got a brand new lawnmower. Oh yeah, the kids are gonna get hours and hours of fun with this. Awesome. All right, guys. Well, that's how you fix that thing. If your lawnmower starts to not act right, doesn't want to turn on, probably the first problem I would look at is this switch. Usually, what happens is that just that little knob just breaks off. So yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.